What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here the iPad Mini 6. This is the 2021 iPad Mini. I've done a bunch of videos on them. If you haven't checked them out, I definitely recommend checking them out. I've absolutely loved this iPad. But in today's video, I want to show you guys something else for this iPad. And this is going to be right here, the Magfit magnetic stand. Thank you, Magfit, for reaching out and sending out this magnetic stand for the iPad Mini 6. But before I do begin, I just want to touch base quickly on the wallpapers that I have on my phones and my tablets. I use an app called Backdrops. It's available on both iOS and Android. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave links in the description down below. And for everyone who has subscribed to the channel, thank you all so much for supporting all my videos and subscribing, liking, commenting. Really does mean a lot. You guys make my dream become a reality. Anyway, without further delay, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's just put this iPad Mini 6 aside for now, and let's bring in this right here, the Magfit magnetic stand. And first of all, it comes with a case. You know, let's get this case open and kind of talk our way into getting this set up. So Magfit really does make some really good MagSafe compatible stands for their iPad lineup, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and iPad Pros. So taking a look at this Magfit case, I'm going to put it in right here with the iPad Mini 6. It feels pretty durable. I like it. There's bumpers all around, so you won't get your sides scratchy. There's really no openings except for the USB-C and the Touch ID power button. I was going to say home button, but it's not a home button. And slotting it in, it feels really good, but the one downside is the case also includes a protective area for the Apple Pencil. So, I mean, if you don't have an Apple Pencil and you're going to use this case, it kind of feels really weird. But since I do, let's go ahead and throw it in there. And definitely feels much more comfortable in the hand to use. There is still some empty spots right here, but you know, we can make do with that. And also there's enough space for the camera if you ever use cameras on iPads, but that's not me. Anyway, let's put that aside and let's open right here the Magfit magnetic stand. Let's get this guy open right here. All right, so let's put this aside for now. And here is how Magfit tells us to, put on the stand. So please make sure the direction of the magnetic plane of the bracket is correct. So I guess the instructions for all of them are mostly the same. But so far, looking at that, well, that looks pretty cool actually. For an iPad Mini, not gonna lie, I really do like that. Wow. Wow, that's a pretty strong magnet. Dude, that's actually really, really nice. And if you can take a look, you can bring it down low and it sticks to the table too. It has some nice grip and you can switch it vertically. You can switch it horizontally if you want. You can raise it. All right, you can lower it. This is actually really nice. It's a really nice and sturdy stand. This metal or aluminum feels actually really cold. It's not metal, guys. This is aluminum. It feels really nice, cold feel to the touch. So I actually really like this. For anyone who has an iPad Mini and uses it maybe as a secondary display, or when you're watching or when you're doing other work and you're using this as like just your media consumption device, this is actually really beautiful. If you use this as your main device, like a main computer, you get a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse and you're all set to go. Not gonna lie, this is a really, really nice setup. Now I do want to try one thing. I don't know if this is going to work. Probably not, but we'll see if we try it without the case. And it still fits. It's still, it still connects. So it looks like I guess the magnets are powerful enough to hold it. Obviously, the iPads are not MagSafe compatible. Maybe in the future they will. And the iPad Mini doesn't have any pins either, so it doesn't have like Magic Keyboard and that stuff. But if you want to use this without a case, by all means, use it without a case. Get your Apple Pencil right here, and you're really all set to go. So, and I'm probably going to be showcasing from the side, my side camera right here, which is right now the iPhone SE recording. And every single angle that you see recording is going to be an iPhone recording. So that's just the power of the iPhones. It's just super simple and easy to get videos recorded. Now I want to try something else for those of you who do wonder, would it work if I had a separate, another case? Let's try it out. Obviously this one might not work. This is a folio case, but nonetheless, let's try it out and see if it works. It still works. So if you just want to place your iPad just like this and not use it, or maybe kind of fold it out like that, I don't know if you would, but it still works in the end. So that's pretty cool. I would personally recommend using Magfit. It's original case that comes with the stand. That's the one I would recommend if you're going to use it. If you don't want to use that, then second one would be to kind of go caseless. That's actually really nice. And this stand is very portable too, so you can bring this with you wherever you go. Honestly, this is really, really dope. I really like this. Thank you so much, MagSafe. This is actually going to be a really cool setup, really cool addition for my setup. So there you have it. That's the iPad mini MagSafe. I guess you can say MagSafe compatible, but the magnetic Magfit stand. If you do enjoy this, this product, definitely check it out. I'll leave links in the description down below. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.